Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about conditional access policy for SharePoint sites and OneDrive. What is conditional access policy? Conditional access policy is a feature of Azure Active Directory that allow you to control access to your cloud resource based on certain conditions. This condition can include the user identity, device, locations, and app. And why use conditional access policy for SharePoint site and OneDrive? There are a number of reasons why you might want to use conditional access policy for SharePoint site and OneDrive, including to improve security. Conditional access policy can help you to improve security of your SharePoint site and OneDrive by restricting access to authorized user and devices and to comply with regulations. Conditional access policy can help you to comply with the regulation that require to you to protect confidential information and to reduce the risks of the data breaches. Conditional access policy can help you to reduce the risks of the data breaches by restricting access to your SharePoint site and OneDrive to authorized user and devices. Creating a conditional access policy for SharePoint site and OneDrive. To create a conditional access policy for a SharePoint site and OneDrive, you will need to use the Azure Active Directory portal. Go to the Azure Active Directory portals, click on security, click on conditional access, then click on new policy, give your policy name and descriptions. Under assignments, select the user groups that you want to apply to the policy to, and under cloud apps or actions, select the SharePoint sites and OneDrive that you want to apply the policy to, and under condition, select the condition that you want to apply to the policy. And for example, you can select the conditions such as the user identity, device, location, and app. Then under access controls, select the access control that you want to apply to the policy, and for example, you can block access, grant access, or require multi-factor authentication, and click on create to create the policy. Example, conditional access policy for SharePoint site and OneDrive. Here are some example. Name, block access for unmanaged device. Restrictions: this policy blocks access to SharePoint site and OneDrive from unmanaged devices. Assignment: all users and cloud apps for actions are all SharePoint sites and OneDrive. Condition: device not managed, and access control: block access. This policy will block all users from accessing SharePoint site and OneDrive unmanaged devices. So here are the conclusions. Conditional access policy is a powerful tool that can help you to improve the security of your SharePoint sites and OneDrive. By using conditional access policy, you can restrict access to authorized user and devices, comply with the regulation, and reduce the risks of data breaches. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any questions about the conditional access policy for SharePoint sites and OneDrive, please leave a comment below. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.